How to fix Instagram user not found. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Instagram, so just watch this video till the end. So let's start. Now and first, go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps or applications. Here, go and search only for Instagram. When you found Instagram, just open it like this and then go to storage, and on storage go to clear data and click OK. Go back, click on force stop and click OK. And now the last thing is to go into Play Store and update your Instagram. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.